Page 6, The Hunt. 3/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. We have a pickup beat for the right hand. We're coming in on beat 3. If you look at the last measure there on page 7, you see it only has 2 counts in it, so we're fine. Let's double check our notes and rhythms and fingerings first. I'm just going to connect everything now except for the rest. So we have a 1 and a 3, so we're in this position. So 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. See, that's tied, so you're going to hold it down for 4 counts. Going on, 3, 1, 2. It's just a broken chord. And I'm just rolling the hand here. I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. It's not a lot of weight. And that's for 4 counts. And then going on, 1, 2, 2. This rhythm is rather repetitious, but then for measure 12 going on, for measure 13 is third finger here. You got to reach up a little bit. And then for measure 16 you're here, and then measure 17. Now here, let's look at this. This is measure 17, 18, 19, and 20. The notes in the right hand. You have a G, a C, an E, and a G. That is a C chord, an extended C chord. Second inversion, doesn't matter. But the standard fingering, as far as I'm concerned, for this chord is to use 4th finger, not 3rd. So I'm recommending 4th finger there for measure 18. Just reach up. You gotta be able to do this with your 4th and 5th fingers. It's important in piano to be able to skip a note. It's a little tricky at first. It's not really comfortable. You think, what? But over time, when you've done it for a million years or so, it gets okay. You get used to it. And I'm recommending you do that. So back on measure 17, the 3rd beat, it's 1, 2, go up. 2, 3, 1, 2. Now 4th finger. And then going on, it's the same thing as before. 4th finger on the E. And then 4th finger comes down. Left hand. Well, left hand you got a C and an E here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. That's really hard, ain't it? Let's go down to measure 7. It's come down a little bit. It's just a G and a D. And you're doing these for a while, and then eventually you go back up to here. Go over to page 7, measure 29. That chord is a G, a B, and an F. Actually, the whole chord is with a D. For him, the right hand's playing the D for you. So we're not using it here, but I still recommend a 5/4 if you can. Here, put the hands together. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. Make sure these quarter notes in the left hand are quarter notes. Don't hang on to them. For the most part, that's the piece. It's rather repetitious. The notes change a little bit. We think about the slurs and start. It's down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up. So 4th, listen, the left hand doesn't really have anything, you just play them as notes. So 4th. Then the dynamics, well that's for the right hand. Whatever you think loud is, keep the left hand back in the background. And then when you get to measure 16, at the end of it, now you come down a little bit to just sort of loud. And you're going to go up to loud. That's loud. Come back down. So it's... And you're sort of loud here on measure 21. Now you're going to echo that. You're going to start soft. You're going to go up to sort of loud, maybe. Just actually, just sort of soft is enough. So I'm talking about measure 27. That note is about sort of soft, so you go up to there. Now you're loud. There. So the dynamics add a lot to this piece. Speed, well, allegro is fast. It's the feel of it. It needs to be a fast. It's a hunt. You're out there hunting, and apparently hunting in a hurry. So here. However, it has to be accurate. It needs to be, so it's your fast, not mine. Don't try and say, well, he did it that fast, I'm going to do it that fast. No, he did it that fast because he can do it that fast. You took it your speed, but keep it accurate. If that's how fast you go, good enough. That's close enough. Take it that fast. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. So I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. So I'm going to go ready, go. That's 2 counts. Just, I don't have to say the numbers. I can do anything. It's just 2 counts. Pretend it's 2 counts. It's okay. Ready, go. Rest. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, rest. 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 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2. Rest. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. 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 2, 3, 1, rest. 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, rest.